Hello our viewers, welcome to today's video here at the poultry farm. Things are coming along so nicely. We are taking baby steps at a time, but things are working out in a very perfect way. As I talk, we have started working on the process of harvesting water. We were able to bring in a tank that is going to store the rainwater. It is the same tank that is going to store the water from the well that we just dug. We are also going to be able to pump that water from the well into the tank. So we are working on purchasing a pump also that will help us to do that work. Otherwise, work on the process of harvesting the water is ongoing. Also, as I talk, the floor of the chicken house is also finished. So very soon we are going to be in position to bring in our hens. I know it hasn't been easy, but great thanks to all the people who watch us, who comment on our videos, who share, and people who donate to all the work that we do. I'm so grateful. May God bless you. See you in the next video. Bye.
Faithful through the edges, God of Abraham, you're the God of covenant and faithful promises. Time and time again, you have proven you do just what you say. Though the storms may come and the winds may blow, I remain steadfast and let my heart learn when you speak a word, it will come to pass. Great is your faithfulness to me. Great is your faithfulness to me. From the rising sun to the setting same, I will praise your name. Great is your faithfulness to me. God, from age to age, though the earth may pass away, your word remains the same. Your history can prove there's nothing you can't do. You're faithful and true.